This is Justin with Forbes, Hever Wallace. I am in the test kitchen today bringing you another episode of Small Bites, where we take a look at an industry article and break it down for you in small, bite-sized pieces. And recently I was surfing the internet, that's a term from the 90s, and I came across an article about things that are important to look for when you're buying a chef's knife. Now, I used to cook professionally, so I had my own set of criteria for determining what knife was best for me, but I was intrigued nonetheless, so I read the article, which I'll link down below in the description and comments. But it made me think about some things that are really, really important when you're buying a chef's knife. And I think too many of us in the industry are in too big of a hurry, justifiably so, when we're looking for products such as knives. And what we end up doing is just find something that's most cost-effective, or find something that's right there on the store shelf, or that can be delivered to our doorstep tomorrow, instead of doing the research required and necessary to make sure that you're truly buying something that you're investing in that's going to last you a long time. So without any further ado, let's talk about some of the most important factors to think about when you look at buying a chef's knife.
The length of a chef knife is very important. You want the knife to be long enough to manage all of your activities, such as cutting larger vegetables or cuts of meat, but short enough where it doesn't feel like you're wielding a sword. Balance and weight are also very important, as the knife should not feel too heavy on one side or the other, and should feel easily balanced in your hand. Also, the overall weight should not be too heavy or too light for you. The feel and comfort is something that is unique to each individual, but it is very important as you'll be using these knives for a large portion of your day. So you want to make sure you pick something that feels comfortable in your hand.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching this episode of Small Bites. I hope you found this useful, and it's going to help you on your chef knife buying journey. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.